That's where delete comes into play. Delete will remove an entire row. Now, one of the questions that I frequently get asked is, how do I delete an individual cell? So I've got a table, there's a particular value inside of a column, and I just want to get rid of that value. How do I do that? Well, the way that we do that is by utilizing an update statement, because I'm modifying an existing row. Delete gets rid of an entire row. The syntax is delete, optionally from, just like we had into on an insert, the table, and again where, the condition, and again remember that if you leave off where, it's going to delete all data. Now, if we want to do this with a join, you'll notice again that we've got, well, in this case, two from lines. So it'll be delete from context, and then our from, and then we do all the rest. Let's take a look at how we can do a delete statement. Now, what I want to do is I want to delete the couple of new items that we created. Now, in my case, I could sort of cheat here. I could say delete from production product category where product category ID is greater than 4. Because I know by doing my select statement, I'll just execute the top part, that we only had 4 that are built in. So if I just want to do a where statement on this, that's all that I would have to do. So let's just go ahead and execute that. Sure enough, 2 rows affected. Come back over here, do an execute, and now I've got my 4 rows. The last little thing that we want to touch on is syntax to delete an entire table. One way that you can do this, of course, delete, leave off the where line. Another way that you can do this, however, is by using the truncate statement. Truncate will delete all rows from the table. Now, it's actually faster than delete because it doesn't log the operation, meaning that it doesn't write it out to the transaction log. All that it basically does is it just records, hey, we're truncating the table. That's it. That's the extent of it. Truncate is not available for tables that are serving as a parent for child tables. So, for example, if I had an orders table pointing at customers, I could not truncate the customers table. The syntax for truncate is simply truncate and the name of the table. You'll notice no where statement because truncate is going to delete everything. As a best practice, avoid using truncate. There's how we can modify data. I'll see you in the next lesson.